So this is what we're making today. They are called Rava Ladoo, which is an Indian sweet. Following this channel's tradition where I count one item of food for every subscriber, I'm counting out cashews. We are now up to 608. Thanks everyone for subscribing, and if you haven't already, do so now, and then I'll have to count even more things next video. The ingredients we're using are oil, cashews, sultanas, semolina, desiccated coconut, ground cardamom, salt, condensed plant milk. I'm using an oat-based one. All the measurements for the recipe are in the comments section. Start by heating a pan over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, followed by the cashews and sultanas. Cook for a couple of minutes while stirring until toasted. Remove from the pan and set aside. Pour in the remaining oil and heat. Add the semolina, stirring for a few minutes. Next, add in the coconut and toast until fragrant and the colour begins to change to a light brown. Mix in the ground cardamom and salt, followed by the condensed plant milk. Mix for a few minutes to combine into a dough. If it's too dry at this point, add some milk, or if it's too sticky like this was, add in a little more semolina. Now you can stir in the nuts and fruit at this point, or I have a tip. So scoop a tablespoon of the mixture and form into discs. Repeat this process with all of the mixture. This recipe makes 24 depending on size. Alright, here's the tip. Place a cashew in the centre of each disc, form into a ball by rolling them between your palms, and then place 2 sultanas on each ladoo. This way the cashews and sultanas are shared evenly between all the ladoos. It is time to taste them. Let's do it. If you enjoyed watching my Rava Ladoo video, press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now. See you on the next video.